So this experiment is based on friend functions, which comes under classes. So my program is to create a class called distance with data members feet and inches, and I have to create a constructor to initialize data to 0 and to initialize it to fixed values and to display. And I should include a function which is a friend function that will overload the plus operator so that two distances can be added together. So in my program, I have created a class distance1. So I have even declared the distance2 class above the distance1. This is because I want to create the friend function with an argument from the second class. That's why I'm declaring the second distance above the first class. So as you can see, I have created the default constructor over here, which will initialize values to 0, and a parameterized constructor which will get values and assign them, and then a display function, and have declared the friend function over here. It is a friend of type void operator plus, and this is the object from the first class, and this is the object from the second class. And I've done the same in my second class. There is a default constructor and a parameterized constructor and a display function. And in friend functions can only be defined outside the class. So I've defined different function over here. So I'm declaring two variables, temporary feet, temporary inches. This is to store the values which I get after adding the two objects. So this function is adding a dot feet, which is an object of class 1, and b dot feet, which is an object of class 2. It's adding values from that, and it is displaying in temp feet and temp inches. And in my main function, I'm making an object for class 1, which is a default constructor, and a class 2, which is a parameterized constructor, and I'm displaying it, and after that I'm adding both the objects. So my output, as you can see, for distance 1, which was the default constructor, the values are 0, 0. For distance 2, I gave the values 5 and 2, so it assigned it as I had given it. And the third over here, this is the added one. This is the addition of the first distance with the second distance, and the value is shown here. That is the end of the program.